coming in full blast by now and is leaving quite a mess on everyone's cars. We know that snow is really pretty to look at, but when it comes to dealing with it daily, it's annoying. And when you're trying to head out the door to go to work, the last thing you want to do in freezing temperatures is to remove snow off your car. But Toyota's got you covered. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The first step you should take is to check your tailpipe. If it's been snowing pretty heavily, then your tailpipe is likely coated in a layer of beautiful snow. However, you should remove snow on your tailpipe because it can cause carbon monoxide to build up in your car. The second step you can take to remove snow off your car is to blast the heater. Nothing works better than the defroster on your car. Typically, it takes about 5 minutes to warm up your car, so in the meantime, you could walk around your car and remove snow from your roof, hood, and trunk lid. Next, you should aim to remove snow off your windows. Then, you can work your way toward your windshield. Don't forget your rear view mirror, headlights, taillights, and turn signals. Also, you should remove snow from your car's wiper blades. This is a good time to go ahead and check your wiper fluid nozzle and clear away any snow. Some tools you might need to remove snow off your car are a snow brush with plastic bristles, push broom, and an ice scraper. Want more tips? Visit Toyota of North Charlotte at 13429 Statesville Road.